It is tiring. It's so many stairs. So much walking. It is quite beautiful. Little did he know the hell that he was about to walk into. So, funny story. My camera died because it wasn't charged properly the night before. I have no clue how it didn't charge, but it didn't, so it died. I buried it 6 feet deep at the bottom of that river that you see there. Yeah, beautiful. The issue is that the rest of the footage for this video comes from my camera on my phone. So, yeah. Sorry about the drop in quality. It's been way too long. I've been walking for such a long time. If you find my body here,
It was the monkeys. Okay, as far as I make it, man. A frog jumped out and scared me. And the worst part, there's people behind me. JK, just kidding. I made it to a clearing. I think I'm dying. That frog might be poisonous. I'm lost. I don't know which way to go. I think that frog had a dart gun. It's starting to hallucinate sounds. There's no one around for miles. What is that? I gotta go. I hear alarm bells. I hear alarm bells in the distance. They're coming for me. What must I do to escape this hell? I'm free. I don't know how far the way down is though. It's gonna be a pain. There's people. I don't know how, but I found a cobble at the top of the mountain. Why is there a cobble up here? It's so peaceful. I think I went the wrong way. They found me. The rescue team is here. Over here. It is actually a helicopter. I just have no clue where they're going.
And so the nightmare of the endless, hour-long climb up the mountain was over. He was rescued by a helicopter because, for some reason, Smokey the Bear was out there and he saw him walking by. They both had a heartfelt beer on the way back to town, and he lived happily ever after, never leaving his home again. But if you want the real story, I hiked back up the other way because I couldn't get onto the road since I have no car, and hiked back to where I started in the dark.
It was the helicopter wasn't for me. It's getting dark out. And I can't follow it. There's an old man hunting me down with a flute. Hopefully he's friendly. Not to kill me. Now ain't she a beaut? Hopefully I can make it down the road without dying. It's already really dark out here. I made it down. Oh god. It's so dark. Never mind, I didn't make it down. I'm still good to go. Okay, now I've really made it down to the bottom. Kind of. Most of the way. Guys.
Well, I made it home in more or less one piece, so it's a win in my book. Hopefully, all the footage from the phone got transferred to the computer, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's been a long day, but not a worthless one. I'll see you guys later. I love you. Bye.